Okay guys, and we're just about to start painting our valve covers. In this case, we're gonna go with last clean. I'm gonna show you why this last clean is important, as the higher of the percentage of the isopropyl in the alcohol, the better. And then we'll continue with the process of painting. How we're gonna do this: 2 coats of primer, 3 coats of engine paint, and 3 coats of clear. Look at this. Okay, so we're done with the primer. Let me show you. We kind of went out of the box and created this own painting booth. Main intention is I'm painting outside, so a lot of debris, dust, and yeah, a lot of dirt is getting into the paint. So how should we continue? We're gonna wait 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then we're gonna start painting with our engine paint. In this case, yeah, we're gonna use this one. I'm pretty stoked about the color. Let's see how it goes. Okay friends, let me address the change of setup, because I realized that there's something very important to share with all of you, which is I was painting on top of a regular box, and what I realized is a lot of dust was getting stuck within the paint. So the paint now has a lot of imperfections. We have to embrace imperfections, but here's the tip. Do not paint on top of a regular cardboard, because what I do believe is that the pressure of the can was probably getting some stuff out and getting that stuff stuck into the paint. We're gonna be installing gauges, guys, and I'm really excited about this. In this case, for the video purpose, I'm gonna be showing how to plug an oil pressure one. We're gonna use several additional parts that I will explain as we go through. Ooh, ow. So the first thing we need to do, plumb our wires. In this case, this is gonna be the location I'm gonna be running this gauge, and it's gonna go all the way down, 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 and underneath that point is where we can grab 12 volts from the fuse, and then within the engine bay, we need to grab it from here and try to take it to the front of the engine.